Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to check out the Pixel Buds. These are the A series. So the A series are a series below the Pixel Buds Pro. These come in at a price of $99. They do come in two different colors, dark olive and clearly white. The ones I have here are the clearly white. Now, the reason I got these right now is because I did order the Pixel 6a, and if you do purchase that or pre-order it right now, you can get these for free. So if you're looking at a Pixel right now, definitely go ahead and get that because you get these along with them. Some quick details on the A series. So these have custom designed 12mm dynamic speaker drivers that deliver rich, high quality audio. Has a flush to ear design with 3 ear tip sizes and stabilizer arc, so they stay in place and create a gentle seal. You can get up to 5 hours of listening time or 2.5 hours of talk time with a single charge, or listen up to 24 hours with the charging case. You can play music, get directions, check the weather, or have notifications read to you by using your voice. And you can pair these with your Pixel or any Android device with just a tap, or quickly and easily connect to iOS or any other Bluetooth 4.0 plus device. They are water resistant, so you can wear them on a rainy day or during a workout. And it has adaptive sound as well to adjust the volume as you move between quiet and noisy environments. Has beamforming mics as well for clear calls. And you can also find your earbuds easily if you misplace them by using Find My Device. All right, so let's take a quick look at the box before we open them up. So as you can see, we have Google logo here, Pixel Buds A series. You can see a photo of the ones I have here. So I do have the chalk, so they are white and gray. On the side, we have Google. We have a picture with the case here. And this is quite small. We have the Google logo. And on the back, of course, we have some information about it. So clearly white, pairs with Android, iOS, or any Bluetooth 4.0 device. And then we have that holographic Google logo, which is pretty cool. So let's go and open these bad boys up and take a look. All right, upon opening up our box, we can see we have our Pixel Buds in the case right here. And it is a really cute, tiny little case. Honestly, kind of reminds me of like a Tamagotchi. We also get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. We also get our other tips, as well as our user manual. All right, and here is everything that comes in the box. So of course we have our Pixel Buds, we have our charging cable, and our user manual and tips. Taking a quick look around the headphones, you can see we have a little LED light here. It has this really nice chalk color with that gray line here. It has a nice matte finish around it, and of course, again, it is really, really small. Opening up, you can see we are greeted by our earbuds. They do have the Google logo on the outside of them. We have a nice gray interior. And then taking a look at these are definitely not like AirPods. You can see we have a little ear tip, and this goes inside your ear. And you can see we have R to denote this is the right earbud, as well as 2 contacts so that when they are placed in the case, they do start to charge. And they do have a little magnet in there as well. So they pop in like so, and they have that little orange light to let you know that they are charging. All right, so I don't actually have a Pixel, but I do have a TCL phone. So this is the 20 Pro 5G. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and see if we can connect this to the phone. So it should pop up like so, Pixel Buds A series. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. All right, so download app. So download the device app on Google Play to see all available features. So we'll go ahead and do that as well. All right, pops up with it from the Google Play Store. So we'll go ahead and let that download for a moment here. All right, and once it opens, it says, welcome to your new Pixel Buds A series, your favorite media and Google Assistant at your fingertips. So we'll go ahead and start the setup here. We have, of course, our legal terms and conditions. If you want to read that, you can. If not, just hit I accept. Try on your earbuds. Rotate each earbud until it stays in place. When you tap it or move your head, so it shows you exactly how to put it in. So we'll try that now. And after putting them in your ear, they're playing some music so you can hear it, and you can kind of tell when you have a good seal on them. All right, so it's saying find the best fit for sound, comfort, and stability. Try all ear tip sizes before picking your favorite. Each ear may need a different size. All right, something I do want to show is just how easy it is to replace the tips on here. So obviously they want you to try the different tips to make sure you get the one that works for you. So I know traditionally with these kinds of tips, you do have to kind of stretch it out and then just pull it off. So let's see if that's pretty simple to do. Yep, pretty simple to do. We have our other size here. So this is a large, I believe. So we'll go ahead and put that on here. Should be able to just wiggle that on and just click right into place. There you go, pretty simple. So what I'm using right now that it has is actually a pretty good seal so far. I actually hear very little outside of the headphones, so they sound pretty good. So I'll keep the ones that we have. Tap either earbud to pause. Okay, skip or to next track, double tap. triple tap either earbud to go back. All right, pretty cool. And then just see our charging status. Open the case to check the earbud status, close the case and check the case status. Lights are orange when charging and white when fully charged. All right, and then we can also take a look around it here. So comfortable and secure, in-ear detection, dual microphones for clear calls, tappable surface. Very cool. Keep track of it with Find My Device. And it also offers to send you emails, promotional emails. So you can choose to do that or not. All right, you also can use Google Assistant with this as well. Okay, keep getting personal results on lock screen on headphones. All right, give it a try. Touch and hold your earbud while talking. Release when you're done talking. What can you do? All right, and what it just did is actually give you a chime when you do hold down, let you say what you want to say, and then it does respond to you in a nice, crisp, clear voice. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and then now we're in the app here. So you can see that our left earbud has 89%, our right one has 90%. You have your Google Assistant options, Find Device, touch controls, sound, in-ear detection, and more settings. So in the Find Device, you can actually ring both earbuds, which is pretty cool, or see their last known location. We can also go to our touch controls. And it does not appear you can actually change these, so those are pretty much set in stone. You can, however, turn them off. We have our sound, so you can change your EQ. So our bass level here. Loudness compensation, improve at lower levels, or adaptive sound, so you can have that optimized based on your environment if you wanted to. And then we have our in-ear detection, and that can either be turned on or off. We have some more settings here. So we have our firmware, which says is up to date. We have our about, email notifications. So you can go in and change some things, but there are quite a few things you cannot change with these. All right, so the Pixel Buds do work with other devices that are not Android. Obviously, if it does have Android, you should get that pop-up when you pop these open. Now, in order to use them with an iPhone or an older Android phone, which you can do, you open up the case and you would keep the earbuds inside and then press and hold the pairing button until the light starts pulsing. So we do have a pairing button on the very back right here. Simply hold that down until the light starts pulsing, which it's doing right now. And then we can go into our Bluetooth and we should be able to see our Pixel Buds A series. And now because I did connect to a phone that was mine or is connected to my Google account, it does say my name on there. So that's pretty cool as well. So, and now we are now connected. So the A series buds are actually pretty easy to put in. You just kind of twist them in. Once you put each one in, you'll actually hear a little chime to let you know they are in. And they work really well. So I don't believe they have noise canceling built in. I believe the Pros do. But it does actually block out a lot of noise. Upon listening to them, they didn't have as much bass as I would have liked, but you can adjust that in the settings, which I did, and they actually sound really, really good. So I'm very impressed for $100 headphones. So as far as battery and everything else is concerned, I'm not really sure about that because I just opened these, but just first impressions, really, really pretty good. They also look pretty nice as well. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Pixel Buds A series. So of course they work on both Android and iOS. However, these are definitely made for Android, I think, just because you get that kind of AirPods-esque experience. So if you have a newer version of Android, when you pop these open, they instantly want to connect, they pop up. You have the ability to see the battery on both the buds. You have the ability to change the EQ, add bass. You have the ability to see the device if it is missing. You of course have those touch controls. I do kind of wish the touch controls were adjustable where you could kind of change them to your liking. Some people may not want to triple tap to go back. You might want to double tap to go back, something like that. You know, just being able to change those up a little bit. But you do have Google built in, so you can ask it questions or have it do different tasks for you, set a reminder, set a timer, that kind of thing. Really nice to see. Now I didn't test it running or anything like that, but it does say it is sweat resistant. So you can run with these or work out with these, which is nice to see as well. Fitment is great. You do have those 3 different tip options. As I showed you, the tips are very easy to change out as well. Easy to fit in your ears, and they do offer a pretty good seal. Noise cancellation is not a thing on these. I think they are for the pros, but they still do block out a lot of sound, which is also great. So pretty much just from my first impressions of these, very nice. I think they're definitely well worth the money. Cute little case, nice matte color, and of course they come in those 3 different colors. Comes in at $99. If you're buying a Pixel 6a, you get these for free if you do that right now. So definitely go ahead and check those out. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking those out. Anyway guys, questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.